Nature. Nature shows us everything we need to see. Nature shows us through the illusion of the perceiver. Nature shows us how to naturally synchronize with all that is, with sound, with sensations, with the natural flux of the cosmos. So take the opportunity anytime you're surrounded by a natural environment, the sky, the water, the sounds of the ocean, the sounds of the wind, to let go of all personal agendas, including the agenda to be more spiritual. Let go of the agenda of practicing in the right way right now. Let go of the agenda of seeing reality more clearly. Let go of the agenda of experiencing without filters. The way we let go of these agendas is to notice there's just sound. There's just the color, the shapes. There's just movement and just stillness. The impossible union. The impossible union of light and dark. The impossible union of empty and appearing. The impossible union of intimacy and spaciousness. It's only impossible to the mind that has to take a position, to the mind that has to have a stance. Nature shows us where there is no stance. Nature shows us through obliteration how it is that there is no holding, fixation. There's no starting place and no ending place. There's no time before we are enlightened, and there's no time after we are enlightened. There's no timeline. This is freedom from time, and it's the color blue. It's the ripple in the visual field. It's the movement of the breath, the body sensation, wherever and however that is right now. That shows us where the alpha meets the omega. It shows us where birth and death are not two. It shows us the end of seeking and the end of suffering and the end of avoidance and the end of resistance. All is completed before anything happens, before anything moves. This is it.